Good morning, everybody. It's your boy, Daily Dose of Loves. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. How's everybody doing this morning? Tell you something right now. It is freezing out here today. It's like 3 degrees out here. Boy, it is cold. Leaving the hotel, we are headed to the MOORE EXPO. Gonna go check out some rigs, check out a couple trailers, see what we got. But first, let's go ahead and get this thing started because I do not know if it's gonna start. It's so cold out here, boys. Let's see. Yes, old trusty Toyota for the win. Oh my gosh. It is freezing out here today. As y'all can see, my glasses are starting to fog up. But gonna go ahead and put some stuff in the truck, head over, or the SUV. I know some people get upset when you call the SUV the truck. My glasses are fogging up, as you can see. So normally I wouldn't be wearing a mask out here, but because of how cold it is, it's actually lower. It feels a lot better to be wearing the mask than to not be wearing it. But nonetheless, guys, I will catch y'all at the MOORE EXPO. So let's go ahead and get today's episode started in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we done made it to the MOORE EXPO. It is cold, so we're gonna walk inside. Let's get in here, see what we're looking at. Ooh, it is gonna chilly ride. Ooh, boy, let's go ahead and check it out, man. Super excited. There's a bunch of rigs out here. Super cool looking things. See what it is inside though, because it is chilly in here. Let's go. Boom, guys. What if we had a Shepherd? That would be crazy, wouldn't it? If we got one on the channel, threw it on there, drove it around. I don't know how fast we'd go, but look at this thing. This thing is bad. Boom, guys, we officially have some radio communications. Check this out. Midland radio. Finally, get rid of the walkie-talkie, or at least throw the walkie-talkie in the back for other activities, but officially got some radio. So let's keep looking. Let's see what everything we got out here. Boom, guys. So I've been kind of wanting to get a trailer, like a little pull-along adventure trailer. Check this one out, guys. Cool little trailer, man. Based out of Wisconsin. Good looking trailer. Cool, man. Let's keep looking. Boom, guys, check this out, man. Like I said, I've been wanting a trailer for the trail. This is awesome, dude. I think we might have found a competitor for what we have been looking for. Check this out. Awesome looking little trailer, man. Something to pull around and having the rooftop tent connected to it versus having a park. So let's continue to look around. Let's see what else we find. And check out, man, again, MOORE EXPO. Super fun event, man. A lot of vendors, a lot of stuff out here. So let's see what we got. Check this out, guys. Global Expedition Vehicles. This thing is huge. Check it out. Got a shower. Everything. Well, not a shower, my bad. A full bathroom, it looks like. Bed. Sink. Table. Wow. This thing is amazing, yo. Check this out. What do you guys think, man? Is this something that an earth roamer type of thing? Something we brought to the channel? That would be freaking awesome, wouldn't it? What do you guys think? Huge shout outs to Renee, man, for allowing us to get in there, man. That thing is huge. Look at the front of this thing. I don't know if you guys can see this, but check this out, man. The rear tire has a winch to lower it. A lot of us have a winch to pull ourselves out. This has a winch to lower the rear tire. Boom, y'all. All right, so we stopped by US Tracks and Tracks, which is actually kind of crazy. They're actually located right out of Wichita, Kansas, right along hometown. So we are going to upgrade our recovery boards here today, man. We're going to go ahead and get some new boards for the 4Runner, man. Went ahead and jumped on these sand, darks. I don't even know what color they are actually, but they're actually pretty cool. Let me show them to you guys here in a sec real quick. New gear coming for the 4Runner again. Check it out, guys. Boom, you know, we're definitely gonna go back this year to Rendezvous the Ozarks. We'll see you guys there in October. But man, there's so much things out here, man. Let's continue to look, let's see what else is out here. Boom, check out that fridge, y'all. Fully self-powered. There's nothing to it. You don't have to hook up any wire, nothing. It is self-powered. They said it runs about on its own for about 3 days. That's pretty awesome, man. That's the new. I haven't seen it yet. They said it's brand new to the market, so we'll take a look at that. Like I said, we got the rear spring, so now are we gonna go ahead and get a fridge or what? Let's continue to look around here and see what else is out here. Alright guys, we are officially done with the MOORE EXPO, as you guys can see. Had a great time. My buddy Steven got a new tent for himself, a new Gazelle. That's actually really awesome, man. I'm pretty excited to see that in person and in use. Seen a lot of cool rigs, man. A lot of cool stuff. So now, time to hop in the 4Runner. Got a 4-hour trip home. Time to get home before the snowstorm that is headed our way hits us. So got to do that. Other than that, let's grab some food, jump on the road, and I'll check back in with you guys here in a sec after we get some gas, man, because we're going to need some to get home. What is going on, guys? It is our last official stop. We are now getting gas and filling up and heading home. We got about an hour left of the trip here. We are officially done. We were planning on staying, I think I might have said this already, but we were planning on staying an additional night in Springfield, but because of the weather and the snow that is coming into Wichita, it is in our best interest in our safety to come home tonight versus to come home tomorrow. So that is the reason why we have decided to go ahead and head home today. So that is it. Other than that, guys, had a great time. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll try to highlight, well, what I got video of, I should say, is just highlighting what I enjoyed, the vehicles, the rigs, whatever, products, things like that. That was a great little thing, right? And like I said, I am interested in a little pull along a little trailer just to make it easier when we are off-roading at campsite or off-road parks, campsites, those type of things. So I'm definitely looking around in the market. If you guys do have one, put it in the comments, let me know. I definitely would be interested to see what everyone else is using, and what they like, or if they don't like it, or if they had one and they did not like it. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed it again. Like I said in yesterday's video, or the day before I should say, or the part 1 of this little series, is make the best out of life, man. Life's way too short. You know, we were planning on coming, absolutely, but then the weather kind of had got in the way of our plans, I should say. But then we decided to go ahead and still come and commit, and we had a great time. Steve and I got stuck a little bit over at SMORR, but because of it, we were still able to overcome it and get out and make it to the expo all in one piece. The 4Runner didn't get ruined or nothing, and that's pretty much one of the best parts about all this. But really, my biggest thing is live life, man. Life's way too short to not enjoy it, and to not take leaps of faith, you know. So because of that, do it. If there's something you want to do it with your safety in mind, of course, at all times. But do it, just like the Nike commercial, you know what I'm saying? Just do it. But with that being said, it is cold. I'm hopping back in. I'm gonna get home, turn the heater on. But as y'all know what to do, on 3, 2, 1, follow your path. Peace.